This lifelike doll is lending a hand to scientists who study air quality in Antwerp, Belgium. She's called Claire, and her name is an acronym for Clean Air for Everyone. Electronic sensors in Claire's pushchair monitor the air for pollutants from cars and factories. Claire's volunteer carers are taking her for a stroll through Antwerp's heavy traffic. Belgium has a population of just 11 million, but is one of the most harmful polluters in Europe. Air pollution is responsible for around 7 million deaths worldwide each year. Roland Sampson researches air pollution at the University of Antwerp.
And what do we analyze? We analyze particulate matter in two size fractions, 10 and 2.5, and ultra-fine particles, which are even more dangerous because they really can penetrate the lungs deeply and even can enter our blood system.
Veerle Bonaires is one of the project's volunteer walkers. She explains her reasons for getting involved.
Because I have a child myself, and I worry that she has to grow up in a very polluted city, and that it might affect her health on the long term.
Yuri Teij is a senior climate campaigner at Greenpeace Belgium.
But now actually with the new cars, diesel and petrol cars, they are as bad. And we need to go away from fossil fueled cars. We need to go to electric cars that can be fueled with renewable energy. But most of all, we need to go to a different kind of mobility with much less cars and better alternatives.